Tired of your calendar feeling more like a source of stress than a productivity tool? First up, Google Calendar. It's the OG, the classic, the free-for-all, everyone knows it. Its strength lies in its simplicity and widespread integration with, well, everything Google. Need to schedule a meeting? Google Calendar effortlessly ties into Gmail, Google Meet, and Google Drive. Setting it up is a breeze. Just log in with your Google account, and you're ready to go. Adding events is straightforward, and sharing calendars with others is seamless. Now, let's dive into Morgen. Think of it as Google Calendar's cooler, more organized cousin. Morgen pulls together all your calendars, Google, Outlook, even those random .ics files, into a single, unified view. No more toggling between apps. Plus, it integrates your to-do lists directly into your calendar view. See those tasks alongside your appointments. That's Morgen keeping you focused. Connecting your accounts is easy, and Morgen's user interface can be customized to fit your needs. Feature-wise, Google Calendar sticks to the basics: event scheduling, reminders, and basic sharing. Morgen, however, kicks things up a notch. It boasts features like integrated task management, note-taking directly within events, and even a built-in meeting scheduler that simplifies finding a time that works for everyone. Google shines on a mobile device, while Morgen excels on desktop. Price: the elephant in the room. Google Calendar is free forever. Morgen offers a free plan with limited features, but you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock its full potential, including unlimited integrations and advanced features. So, which calendar reigns supreme? It depends on your needs. If you need a simple, free, and widely compatible calendar, Google Calendar is a solid choice. But if you crave a more powerful, integrated solution with advanced productivity features, Morgen might just be your scheduling savior. Check out the links in the description to download Morgen and decide what works best for you.